How to fix error in message stream in ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT from your browser or app, you're getting the error in message stream kind of error, then what could be the reason that could be happening and what are the ways you can solve it? The first thing you can try to do is to simply refresh the chat. So depending upon if you're using browser, just hit the reload or the refresh button and reopen that chat. If on the same chat it doesn't work, you can try to delete that chat. So on the left hand side, go to the chat, click the three dots option and click on delete, and go ahead and then begin a new chat, and then that would likely help you solve the problem because it will actually start from a fresh memory. If this is not helping, too many people might be logged into your ChatGPT account, so you can try to log your ChatGPT account from other devices. Click the profile icon from the top right, then simply navigate to settings. Then on the left hand side, go to the option security, then click on log out of all devices. Once you've done that, that should help you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.